John, ho, ho, ho from Madcap Cottage.
Happy holidays.
What is this new collection?
This is our Holiday Follies paper table decor. This is everything you need to set a fun and festive Chinoiserie holiday table. Starting with these great caddies.
That you made in America.
Made in America. They are perfect for holding things like dinner napkins, silverware.
And these are all based on your original paintings and sketches.
These are based on our holiday pagoda pattern. We've decked the pagodas out in trees and tinsel and garland. We have 4 different sizes of placemats. We have squares, we have die cuts, we have rectangles, and then we have these great coordinating bamboo patterns.
This is our island house.
And all of these colors reappear in the pagodas. And as you can see, this is a vintage porcelain dinner plate.
And I love this tray here, John, also made in America. And where is this all available? This is available?
This is all available on madcapcottage.com.